No, I was trying to think of his name. Was it? I was coaching. No, I coached a couple. His name was in trading. I coached them for a little while. Um, they had the same last name. Let's put it that way. Is this the same guy I coached before? Is it? Are you the same person? I don't know. I'm sure other people have the same last name. All right. Looks like we got some things running now. One thing I meant to add, and I'm going to keep saying this every single day, guys. First, um, first let me go through this real quick. Fastest 30 seconds. I'm going to start doing I'm going to make it like Chris Berman style on my shorts. I'm going to go do the fastest 30 seconds. Whoop. Market this, and we went whoop, whoop. All right. So I was looking at this earlier. Both ES and NQ are sitting in pretty interesting areas here. Hovering just below where we reversed from in the past, and just above the lows from the sales before. So where they sold to before. Both NQ and ES are sitting in an interesting area. Plus, I have this area marked off on the ES chart between 34 and say 50, 58, 59 as a pretty volatile area. So I'm going to be a little cautious this morning. It's got to be a perfect setup for me. It's got to be small risk, little tiny M's and W's, tiny consolidations, or double tops and double bottoms. I'm not going to trade anything else this morning until after news, until after the news. That's it. Just to add what Stretch gave you guys, and I'm going to encourage you guys. Somebody should volunteer to take on some of that role of doing morning prep, guys. I'm telling you, I'm gonna urge Joe Zimmerman to jump in there and start doing it. Some I would love to urge Tom to do it, but I don't know if Tom's going to do it. Guys, it'll help you tremendously. What? To jump on a mic with the Stretch in the morning and start doing some analysis.
Wasn't somebody going to do that for the Yankee? Was it Joe or somebody?
I was going to try to get somebody to do it for the NQ.
Or Megan? Wasn't it Megan? Somebody was going to do it.
I can't remember who it was. I don't think it was Megan, but I seriously think you guys should do it. Guys, it makes a difference. Doing what we do makes a difference. We talk about missing trades all the time, Paul and I do. But at the end of the day, it's fine. Missing trades is part of it. But I'd rather miss trades and have to keep myself disciplined to do the right trades in front of you guys than be left to my own devices. I'd rather do more chart analysis for you guys and help you guys out than be left to my own devices and clicking buttons. It makes a difference, guys. I mean, spend 10 minutes a day talking to people on the mic and giving your analysis of the market for the morning. And it forces you to have to go do the things.
Be good to hear
It forces you to have to do the things right.
Market analysis.
Yeah. Jim, sorry, Jim. What?
Jim. Oh, Jim was going to do it. He was going to. That's right. It was Jim. That's who it was.
Oh, it's Jim. Okay. I'd encourage you guys to really, really, really think about it. And some of you guys, I'm going to call you out, guys. I'm not. Yeah, I'm serious, Joe. It's a good thing, guys. There's a reason. There's a reason. Stretch does so well trading now. I promise you, he'll tell you every single day. He was not this good of a trader before he got here, and he definitely wasn't this good of a trader before he started doing the morning prep. So
yeah, it's made him very disciplined. He's very good at what he does.
I would urge Tom to do it. I would urge Jim. I'd urge Joe. I'd urge. I'm just talking about some of the guys I've been working with. Justin, I would urge Justin to do it. Juan, I'd urge you to step up to the plate and do something like that. Even Dan F, I'd urge you to do it. Guys, some of you guys know your stuff. Some of you guys really know your stuff. And it'll just help you stick to it. So, all right, it's 9:26. Let's do a couple quick things. We got a few trials in. Let me chat with those guys real quick. If you're on trial with us, welcome to Liberty Trading Club. Uh, uh, do me a favor, log into the members area on libertytradingclub.com. Schedule a call with Coach Paul or myself, probably Coach Paul. We'll help you get started with us. You're in our live trade room here. We're going to go from 9 to 11ish. If you're on Ninja Trader, I'd highly suggest that you download these tools. Very helpful. Our zones are hugely helpful. They work every day for us. And our TIG reversal, great. I showcased that yesterday, working on the ES perfectly. 2 for 2 on that. Tick Sentry, you see me using that every single day, and you'll see it today.
I'm using it now.
Suggest that you guys look at some of our partner offers here that we do have. I would highly suggest that you go down to the right here on the Elite Class Replays and start watching those videos, especially the first 4 or 5 videos. Those will really get you in tune with what we're doing here. And in the afternoons, while you're on trial, join us in Premier Clubhouse. We do an afternoon trading session starting at 1300 Eastern, 1 p.m. And that pivot rejection, missed that one. And 4 p.m. every day, our members meet up, take a look at our weekly calendar, and download the mobile app. Thank you for being here at Liberty Trading Club.
Those of you that have Tick Sentry, I just heads up, I turned it on long here because I'm expecting a bounce out of this area. To that 08 area. Now, if it doesn't hold that 08, I'll take a small loss, but I think it will.
Mullet Mania.
Salvador Dali painting.
Hey, we got the Dali Museum right around the road here.
As in Dolly Parton?
No.
That'd be a cool museum.
Oh, I think that's the entire state of North Carolina.
Yeah, that's all like Sevierville. There we go. Target. Boom.
There's
first target.
Prep.
I did say earlier you could take it in this area.
There's a Mullet Mania morning prep.
Yeah, that's morning prep.
Oh, I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit and collect my thoughts.
Oh, we're right at the open. I probably should think about getting out of this.
I was just gonna.
I didn't realize what time it was.
Just, and those of you newer to trading, struggling to be profitable, please wait about I don't know, 6 minutes before trading after the open. I am going to, unless I see a perfect setup, I'm probably going to wait until after 10.
Yeah, it's probably smart.
It depends. I mean, it really depends. But again, perfect setup for me today is going to be here. I'll do the ES one real quick.
I'll get out with a profit. I'm good. 20 seconds before the open.
20 seconds. Then just watch them just dump it.
Yeah. I still think this holds, so we'll see. Maybe not.
If it does,
it is right at the open.
You said 608, and I have 6.
Yeah, we're literally here now. I'm in my zone right now. It's either going to hold or bust through it.
I can't remember what happened, but
look at that.
I always put a line there for when something happens.
Come on, there she goes.
Oh.
They broke it. They broke it.
Yep, it's gone.
Yeah, glad I got out of that.
And the dumperooskies.
Oh, look at that. Came right through that thing. What just happened here?
that. There's a
Do
cell
I
signal
have
here coming.
lag again? I have lag again. You got to be kidding me.
Oh, shoot. So do I. Well, it's not bad. It's only on my NQ and MNQ. That's weird.
Yeah, it's just on my NQ also. All right, well, we'll trade something else for now. I wonder why it's doing that lately. There we go. I'm back down. Now I can trade it. Missed the short off the 26, but I can trade it. All right. Let's see what happens. Gonna be a volatile one today.
Ah, that's what I said this morning in my opening statement. Opening statements. With a slight, like a weather forecast. Today's forecast calls for a touch of volatility with a slight bias toward the downside.
These are shorts.
So this is what I really want to see on the ES. I want to see something that just cleanly moves up, not this junk here. I don't want to see this. I don't want to see this. I'm not going to trade out of that stuff this morning. And the tiniest little consolidation break, I'll take that for low risk, or something that comes back up and clean move up though, and a bigger clean double top. Those are the only two trades I want to take this morning if I see them. I would suggest that for both the NQ and the ES if anybody wants to follow my suggestions, but you don't have to follow my suggestions. You can do your own thing. Thank you, Joe. Again, and I'm saying this for you guys and some of the people listening online, guys, you don't have to have a trade every single second. These people that are constantly in trades are, I don't even know what to say. It's just not a real way to do it. That makes sense. I keep watching these people out there, and they're like, "I'm always net one position this way," and like the MNQ or the MES. I'm like, "That why? That doesn't make any sense. You're always net one position."
Nasdaq's going bye bye.
What'd you say?
So Nasdaq's getting a little reversal here.
Yeah, guys, this is don't trade this, guys. Let's just sit on the sideline for a minute, guys. Let's just be smart about our things. I mean, again, you could probably hit some of these little base hits on the 77.26 stuff.
Yeah, but
careful.
careful.
It's volatile right now, guys.
Yeah. If anything, if anything, it could be a long right here on a bounce, but
go back through the 26.
but this could also dump down. I'm sitting on my hands.
I don't look at the price action. It's erratic. It's not.
Hence why I'm sitting on my hands.
It's not for me. Not for me. The silliness here.
I do not trade by the pivot. Yeah, it's a good rule. Pivots. A lot of people stay around the pivot because they don't avoid the pivot because it dances around the pivot a lot. There's nothing wrong with that.
Nice bourbon god. All right, dude.
Nice, Dorian.
All right, Dorian. Well, sit on your hands right now, then. Good job, Dorian. Man.
Heck yeah, dude. That's a good little morning.
Nice. Good job. 4 PAs. Making money in those PAs. Good job, buddy. Oh, I had a joke yesterday. What was that joke? Oh,
All right,
man.
back now.
It'll come to me in a minute. It was a good joke. Megan would love it. All right. See you, Dorian. Great job. Maybe you should have a doctor's appointment every day so you can get your trading done and over with.
Yeah, that overshoot at 77 to come back down. Whew. Yeah, let's stay out of this. ATR is okay. It's not terrible.
It's about that's about fine on the ES and Q. Um, yeah, I said what was that 66, 50, 59. So we're 2 points off from each other's stretch. It's close enough for this. I didn't publish my zones this morning. Let me do that. Still think we were looking to a slight downside here.
It's chopping up. Let's see. So if this overshoots this here, it comes down to this 26. I would be interested in that. But it's got to come down with some force. It's got a little volatility move down here. If it chops its way down there, it's right off the pivot. Look at that. Good Lord. 60-minute, 30-minute, 15-minute all overbought. That's so long on the NQ.
Oh, I was gonna check.
That was a trade right off that money line. It didn't get down far enough for me, but that was it on the NQ.
It's at 12:15.
Yeah.
Hmm. I may
Yeah,
get
it's long.
I may get 2 trades in this morning.
I'm
Take that
being
long
patient.
on the NQ. Did you take the long?
I did not know it didn't come down far enough for me. I was ready to go, but it didn't come down far enough.
Let's see.
I missed it. Anybody else? Anybody grab it? Anybody catch that NQ long? This is going to be the one too. It's going to break out. Ain't
Look at
nobody.
that.
Ain't nobody.
Look at that. One thing that would work in this market,
Yep, both ways.
that or tick reversal.
Oh yeah, I didn't even think about that.
but I can't do mine because I'm afraid to mess with my Ninja because it froze when I was playing with it before. But if you have tick reversal, use it. Especially on the ES, that'll get you into trades at a better price than you can probably get into it, and it'll take targets. So use tick reversal, guys. Oh, stretch got long. Good job. All right.
Yeah,
There you go,
I
stretch.
took the long on a breakout only because it just tapped it too many times.
Going.
Yeah, just a scalp. All right, this could be one of those days, I guess.
Yep.
Now here's a thought. Let this pull back here around this money line can get close to that 77. It pulls back to that little support ridge right there. Yeah, you got one strong too. Yeah. We're not going to get the pullback.
Gracious.
Dang it. Oh,
I'm just
dang
gonna
it.
wait. I'm just sticking to my guns, waiting for a proper setup here, waiting for the
I'm
double
just,
top, double bottom. At this
yep.
point, probably double bottom or small. Something that retraces. Something. Something.
Dang it, man. Missed that trade. Oh, well.
Hmm. All right. So here's what I'd like to see. Or am I going to see it? I don't know. I'd like to see the same thing on the ES and NQ. I'll take a stab at both of them. Give me a little push back down to this area. Again, that small little consolidation or bigger double bottom. Kind of like what just happened here. Either one of those, I'll buy. That's it. That's all I'm looking for. I'm going to be extremely conservative. I got bit once at the end of our session Monday morning by not sticking to my plan. And usually my plan is correct. So,
This thing's gone.
oh man, yeah.
See ya.
Try to, your idea on the long there.
Yeah, that was the right idea. I should have just took it when it pounced off the pivot. But oh well.
Even down at the bottom, down there around.
Oh, the level, yeah,
Even though overshot it.
yeah, just overshot. It was the open. If it went for the open, it'd been a perfect level
I
bounce.
considered doing that. Let me look back at the higher time frames. Maybe, just maybe. Let's go to the 15 this time.
Nice, Isaac.
Maybe we could
Caught
do
that
some
long.
entry into. Um, oh yeah, if it goes above this, we can do some tick entry into the MNQ here. Looks like it. Just give me a
Oh,
pullback.
you took the one I was talking about at 941. Yeah, that was a good one. Well, I'm glad everybody else is catching them. Hey, Mama said there'd be days like this.
Yep. All
Look
right.
at this thing
I'm
go.
convinced of this.
Oh my Lord, it's gonna burn me up.
We'll try to get one MNQ long on a pullback. Be extremely conservative with this.
I'm gonna try a tick sentry long here. Why not? It's micros. There it goes. Let's see if it'll pull back.
Give me, yeah, there we go. Give me the pullback. And the buy signal. ES going to give me that too. Oh, I'm going to be late on one, so I think I'm going to try to get the ES first. Which one's get first? Which one's coming
Boom.
first?
There it goes.
Taking it without me, huh?
Yeah, I jumped in. I had to get in something.
Taking it without me.
That's a go, baby.
ES
Boom.
took off without me. At least I got some tick century juice on this. Woo. It's just going to go.
Gotta 2 contract runner, go. 2 micro runner.
All right, let's see where we can go to on this. Let's see where this should go. Um, should get up to around 800. Should.
Looking for a manual call. Oh shoot, that was a.
We did break out of that area that I was looking at earlier this morning.
Just got to take this entry.
These areas I was looking at down here this morning, and we just peaked above these reversal areas. So that's what I said this morning. Possibly get a reversal again, right around that 800 numbers where this should get to at a minimum. So a decent, healthy little pullback would be in order, I think, to buy. Oh, it didn't take my second contract.
Not stopping, man.
It didn't take my second contract.
If we break this here, it's going to go again.
It should have already broken. Here. It should have already broken.
Let's see if we get a double top. If we get a double top, then I'll be on the fence about it. But if it breaks through here,
it should have.
No, looks like it might want to hold here.
All right. I'll bring my target back down.
Yeah, you might want to. Yeah, that's a sign. Here's your sign.
Here's your sign.
Who was that comedian?
Ooh, $18. Big money this morning.
Oh, I'm 77. I got you.
You beat me.
$77 in micros. Woohoo!
Big money. All right, now I'm gonna wait until after 10.
Coffee budget for the month.
Bill Engvall. Oh, that's it. Yeah, not Larry K.
Yeah, Bill Engvall. All right.
You got me out of that trade. It's gonna take off now.
Nah.
You wanted to be $50 in front of me.
I got out too, so I don't know. That double top scared me.
I didn't like the way I was acting, so
yeah, it's still not. I'm still on the fence about it.
Yeah, price action says that.
But it could break. If it breaks, it's going to go. But tell you what, put a breakout.
I stop.
Do the other one, the reversal, whatever the breakout.
Entry line.
Yeah, entry line breakout. Or just entry line entry. I don't know. It looks.
All right, I'll take
a stab at what the heck.
And then I would let it get. I'm not going to go more deeper than 2 contracts on this.
I just don't like the way it's coagulating. How's that?
Coagulating? Really?
How's that for a term? Sorry, I'm just playing around today. Nothing better to do but be stupid.
I'm in a good mood today, dude.
Here's your sign.
Here's your sign. All right, go on. Get on up there. Get on up there. Cribel. I did tell myself I wasn't going to do this until after 10, so I'm going to try to get that into positive territory. You know what? I don't even want to be in this. Be down negative 20, $40. See, there you go. I don't want to be in this. That's silly. I'm sticking to I said I wanted to wait until after 10. I'm going to wait until after 10. $20 is nothing to recover.
Oh, no, that's one trade.
It's spitting distance for me. Just not going to do it. I will look at the ES long. If we get down here, I will look at that. It's again structured long, small little consolidation break.
Manual entry possible here off the money line, 26.
Oh, that's not a bad one either.
If someone's interested.
NQ
Gotta come back though.
money line to 26 long.
Yep.
And ES didn't set up the way I wanted it set up, so I'm not taking the trade. Got a better setup on the NQ there, though, didn't you? Had a nice little consolidation. That's what I was looking for here on the ES.
Long Crable, 10 o'clock. Where are we at?
This little.
Yeah, we're here now, right? So, yeah, 9 minutes. We'll see what happens.
I'm going to urge you guys to be a little cautious. That's all I'm going to say. Do what you guys want to do, but
That's a big Crable, though.
Crabell.
I don't know.
Coagulation trade.
It's coagulating.
Damn. There it goes. It's going to go without me, and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with it. It's been a good week. I mean, let's just be
Did you
honest.
hold? Oh, you got out of that? Yeah, you got out of
Yeah.
that. That's right. Yeah, you
Yeah.
said you got.
I didn't
that's
like the way
right,
it
you
was.
said-
I'm sticking to my guns.
Yeah, I forgot you said that you were going to stick to your guns.
No, I should have stayed in the M&Q, but again, no should could would have right now. And again, I'm not a fan of the price action
Look
today.
at
Right
this
now.
crap.
Just not a fan of it.
There goes your Crable, Justin. A little bit 8 minutes early, but
You still might end up with a Crable. Anything above whatever happens at 10 is still a Crable.
all right. If you want to pull back long,
Now, guys, again, keep in mind this also could be just to add something in here real quick before Paul does his trade call. This could be nothing more than a exaggerated rally to set up for a dump. So just be aware of that. Go ahead.
I like a 777 long because it's a bounce off the top there, and we got the money. It's just not gonna get it. It's just gonna go. Just not gonna get it. Look at that. Bye.
Wow.
Never mind. Forget what I'm saying. That's my turn now. And
Look at this. Oh my goodness.
boy, that long was the call. Isaac,
No kidding,
glad
dude.
Isaac caught it. And when I said it at 9:41, that was the call.
No, you're long off the bottom was the call.
Or the original one off the bottom was the call. Yeah.
That was the call.
I knew that was a zone. It just overshot it because of the open like that. They dumped
And we were
it
both
down.
looking at the same area too. So
That should have said something when we both had the same. Should have stuck again.
I know.
That's not sticking to our plans. What happens when you don't stick to your plan?
Well, I mean, there's one thing about having the area, and we knew it should have been a good long area, and the other thing is not liking the price action that happened during the area. So I just didn't like the price action, or I probably would have taken that long, counter long.
Or I should have just let it break down, and then at the open,
Push
and
back
when they
through.
brought it back up through, just have a buy stop waiting.
Yeah, that would have been a good.
That would have done. That might have been the smart thing. But hey, what do we know?
Learn from it and move on
That's
to the
right.
next.
That's right. Monday morning quarterbacking.
I want to do that. This was close to my setup, and I wasn't looking at it. I missed it right here at 9. Finished off here at 9:51, 9:52 on the ES, and you got the same thing on the NQ right at 9:52 as well. Try to get one on the NQ, I think here.
Where can this go? 9:59. 9:59 looks like a level for the Nasdaq. Where R1 at 9:08 or 861. Got a bunch of places we could go. 30-minute. Still not overbought though in the 30s or 15s. Yeah, tick strike is solid green, like as in not cutting off. Orders coming in big time. Qs are negative.
What's that? The
The
Q's?
Qs are negative. The NQ. See, everything is. This is screaming up, saying we're just going to the moon. To the moon, Al.
If I missed the one trade that I wanted to see is this little consolidation breakout. So again, I'm just gonna wait. Probably after 10. To be honest with you guys. I mean, we only got a couple minutes here. What, 4 minutes ish?
SQQs are negative. Yeah.
As a matter of fact, what I'm gonna do is a mandatory coffee break and then get ready for my trade after 10.
All right. I guess, and those of you that need a trade, you could take this pullback to the anywhere from the 600 to 620. I mean, excuse me, the 800 to 826 range, but you're not going to get that. Forget it. It's going to go without you again. Never mind. Hell, just push long. Don't do that, by the way. I didn't. I was only kidding. If you missed it, you missed it. It's no big deal. Nice Lulu runner. Come on, give us a pullback. Nope. Where's this thing heading? 959. R1, maybe the next bounce area. Man, that was the trade this morning. Right, give me a second. I'm going to take a small mandatory coffee break. Be
I'm
right
back. Tag. I'm it. Nice WD. Look at that eval passed in one trade. Look at this. Nuts. It's 10 o'clock now. Let's see.
Pass that thing in one trade.
Wow. Okay.
I'm scared to take that bounce there, but
Wouldn't mind seeing a little bit of a pullback that I could buy
Be,
here.
be careful. I was just about to say, be careful. It looks like it's setting up for a pretty decent little drop here, a pullback. I mean, it would have to be a significant pullback at this point. Like, don't fall for that 77 or anything, anybody. Just my opinion, but
My
you
goodness.
looks like it's.
Missed my one trade, the one I wanted.
Tell me about it.
So one I wanted right there.
Let's see what happens
Oh
here.
well.
This is make or break it here. Let's see.
It's just stating that NQ, M and Q stuff.
Yeah, that'd been a nice trade.
That'd be real fancy.
This thing's bye. All right, never mind.
Yeah, yep.
Looks like it's just
That's
gonna prove me
that's-
wrong.
that's
What do you know, Paul? That's why I don't trade what I think.
the area. Oh, yeah. No, Joe. That's the one trade I missed, Joe. I mean, I'm not gonna chase this. The one thought. Support probably WD. We'll see. What was it? At 855.
I really think
I
this
do
is
have
gonna
a.
come up.
I just updated. I don't know why the levels aren't coming through.
Bigger time frames. This looks like NQ is going to come back. I know it doesn't.
850. I'd like to see a pullback at this point. And believe it or not, the trends are still mixed.
Yeah, I know, right? They are.
Believe it or not, trends
That's
are still
weird,
mixed.
but they are.
It's crazy.
Come on, drop.
Slightly mixed. Are you willing it with your mind?
I am. I'm in my head. I'm going. Wow.
This is just crazy.
Wow.
I will wait and be a patient little trader. Get my trade. My goodness. This could create some FOMO, couldn't it?
What are we looking at here? How many points? 300 points. Nasdaq. 200.
It's crazy. Again, the entry I wanted was back here on the NQ, and then back here around
570
939.
to
Missed both of
9.
those.
Oof, 400 point move.
We're 400 points into this. At this point, you just kind of have to wait for
somebody caught that.
I guess this makes me a bad trader that I catching this run up.
I'm just.
Something tells me I might get my opportunity today to make some money.
This is,
You making a rap song?
just think this is going to drop. I really.
At some point, it's got to.
Well, obviously, yeah, but I think it's
Well, let's go back to the bigger time frame chart.
my
So
area. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at right now.
I mean, you got an area here that possibly could see some resistance that it's sitting at right now on the NQ. But again, we're also above all these levels, except for this one right here. You break up here, then you're off to the races on the long side, people. I mean, there's just not much you can do about that. But that'd be crazy. That would be that would mean we'd be in for like
I'm gonna check this.
Like 1,000-point day. That'd be cool, right?
Yeah.
Something it'd be the opposite of this. What was that candle? That was high 3820. Yeah, so maybe more than 1,000 points on the long side. So this is the area, but I'll start buying again above this level that we're at right now. And let me update some zones here. I'm not going to chase this there. I just am not in the mood for that. Bird said so as well. let's I don't know if we're gonna come all the way back down here. So let me just push some zones up here for you guys.
2,500. There's our 2,500.
25,000, you mean?
25,000. Excuse me. Sorry, I'm
2,500.
trying to concentrate.
I was like, ES got
Yeah.
would be in sad shape if the ES got down.
Yeah. 2,500. We're whoo.
We have a lot more to worry about than trading if
The
the
world's
ES
coming
goes
to an
down.
end at that point.
Oof. That wouldn't be pretty. That'd be pretty bad. That'd be the equivalent of like I think that would be the percentage equivalent of like the 1929
The crash. Yeah.
crash. Yeah, percentage wise, I bet that would be seven. Let's see, pretty darn close to it. Same percent pullback. Got another blue line here around
Guess it goes up to 25,000.
900. Jiminy Christmas.
That was where it's been dancing. That was a pretty strong level. So, wow, what a move!
No kidding.
Oh, I wish I would have just took my trade, Paul. Dummy.
Oh,
Why couldn't you just done what you had planned out?
yeah. Well, I can't help but feeling like I'm chasing at this point, though.
Oh yeah, no, without a doubt, for sure. I'm just kicking myself in the head for not sticking to what I knew. That's all.
Well, Stretch, well, it's funny that R1's sitting at the same level I'm talking about here. If we stay above these levels, it's the same level I was looking at on the ES and NQ. If we stay above those, I'm definitely going to be buying the pullbacks. But I mean, if you really look at it, you've only had a good and not a good pullback. You had one decent pullback to buy there, and you had two right there. Two, you had to catch those pullbacks, or you flipped. You said YOLO and took a breakout on the long side. You had two clean opportunities, and I put it in my rules this morning that I want to take the clean pullback trades. Didn't happen, so or it did happen. I just missed them. I missed the two trades I could have gotten in on. That's it. So I'm being disciplined. That's what I'm being. It would have been cool being on the ES here, though. That would have been seven
Things going.
25 plus point trades in 3 days. That would have been crazy. I might get another 25 plus point trade on the ES today.
Oh, you're about to get
Now, I will
you're
look
about to get 25-point drop here.
Or if a clean setup happens, I'm going to look at that as a long signal. Let's see. It's just not going to set up clean, is it? There's your. I mean, it is a long setting up, but I don't think I'm ready to take it right now. I feel like I'm chasing. And I trained the bird to call longs too, so the bird's calling the long.
Okay, well then, if tick squeak barks, then we got to get in. Told you you're gonna get like a 20-point drop here. Told you this thing was going down.
It's cool with me. Give me something to get in on here. And
going down.
Just to talk to Paul, the first touch did work as well. That was the trade of the morning on the NQ. And the ES, the very first touch was the trade that Stretch took. Did you stay in that the whole time, Stretch? Lulu? I think Lulu took it as well. All right, I might be inclined to look at the long here if this sets up right. That was a little tiny consolidation there. That's what I was looking for. Target's off. Woohoo! Finally got a trade. A whole day. No trade. Poor me. Poor me. Finally got a trade. Thank you, boss. Hey, miss the 70 points. Still catch a 30-point runner on this one. Get some. Hey. Let's see, what's this low right here? Let's see what my stop should be. That low is 98.25, so 98 should be the stop. And leave it there until it either goes up or takes my stop. Boom, boom, boom. Boom goes the dynamite. Boom goes the dynamite. Let me put this. Put it. I'm gonna try to put target in as well because it's a prop account, so I don't want it to come back too far. If it doesn't take me now, don't take me now. You're gonna get me. Might need to be a little bit tighter on my stop here. This is a PA account. Set this up. Put a target in. Stop is 98 on the ES right now. Oh, it's going to get you. Turn around now. Go. Take my stop. I knew I should have been a little bit tighter on that with this account. Oh, sorry. This is an eval, not a PA. Okay. Turn around. Keep going. Don't take my stop. What a beautiful stop I had there. Wow. One tick away. I got to look at this, see where this should be going to next. If it can push up now, if it can push up a little bit higher now, go market. See, taught the bird to call longs.
Yeah, the bird is getting good.
Bird's getting pretty good. If it pushes above this, guys, there's some pretty clean selling on the upside. You've got a little bit of stuff stopping it back here from a few weeks ago, and then this consolidation from Globex of yesterday. So if we can get above this, there should be a continued move to the upside. And what's it give me the double top right here on the NQ? I think we've already broken that. You're at the same level in the NQ.
Same level, yeah.
What did you say?
Same level.
Yeah. Don't even need to look at that. So. Oh, well. All right. Oh, I was going to look at a target. Well, this is the target. I mean, really, if it goes above this, we're I'm just going to pass the eval if it goes above this. That's all there is to it.
Oh, is that an eval or a PA?
That's an eval. I thought it was PA. It's an eval. All right. You could use another stop here back under this last little consolidation around the R1. If you need to be a little tighter, that would be 6,725 cents. New stop. 25 cents. All right. Well, I mean, I'd be okay if this is $1,000 trade. That would be ridiculous if this ran up another 25, 30 points. The chart says it has. The chart says it has
25,000 on the NQ. So
the chart says it has easily to 17 now.
Yeah.
And then above that, just press the buy button. It's cool with me. If this runs all the way back up to 6750, 6750. You know what Stretch said? What Stretch said 7 was his resistance today, I think. Oh, no, 1. 6701. Got to go a little tighter on the stop, guys, just because I'm in this eval. I don't want to pull back against me too far. Normally, I wouldn't be this tight. Low there of 450. So I'm going to use 250 for right now. Let me think about this for a second. 250 stop. Anybody that's in this? Anybody in the ES long with me? Oh, Miss Paulina did it? No way. Megan got it. Good. Stretch got it. Good. 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 Ooh, Stretch, you guys had an awesome. Where's the stop? 250 right now and stop. Just got in and out. All right. Good job, guys. Good job. The trials didn't see a trade. They left, and this new trial shows
Yeah.
up. Hey, what are these guys doing? You suck at trading. You skipped over 400 points on the NQ. Okay, we really kind of need to use this low now as the new stop. Right here. That low is 425. 04. 04 new stop on the ES. 04. And hopefully this stays up here. If you do need to be tighter, you probably should go flat now if you need to be tighter. And then wait for a better pullback. It's gonna get me. All right, that was almost a runner. And or we could just turn around and keep going. Right here. Nope. They're gonna take my stop. That was fun.
Good trade.
I waited all morning for it. All stinking morning waited for that puppy.
Tempting money line here on the NASDAQ.
And ES. And NQ and ES. Possible longs setting up here. Oh, there you go. Target's off.
Boom.
Come back and get my stop.